My name's Teresa and I'm doubling my company's Twitter following in 1 year. So I'm taking us from 2,000 to 4,000 Twitter followers in 2021. If you're all interested in tech, in marketing, in Twitter growth, or if you just want to see what I have planned, follow along and I'll be introducing some new methods this time, including some short videos like seen on TikTok or on YouTube Shorts. So if you're at all interested in seeing if those work or not, follow along. Hi, if you're new here, first of all, welcome. I'm so happy that you're on this journey with me and some of the people who've been following along. I'm testing out new methods to try and gain Twitter traction on our company Twitter channel and gain 2,000 more followers in 2021. So I'm gonna link some of the first couple videos up here if you want to catch up. Otherwise, stay tuned to the results and I'll still give you a short little recap. Okay, so I'm gonna quickly go over some of the methods that I've been trying ever since month one. So this is ever since January I've been trying to do some of this. First of all, we have our supporting creators on Twitter. So I've been interacting with some of our clients. I work for a company called Geniuslink. That's the company Twitter that I'm trying to promote. We help creators on YouTube earn more money. So interacting with them and supporting them is right up our alley, making sure that their videos get more viewership. I've been doing that. We kind of covered it last video. It hasn't been getting a ton of traction, but it's just something that I like to do. Method number two. Method number two is when I tweeted out analytics from some of the click data that we collect, just because we are a company that helps route clicks. So for example, we help route a click from Canada to the correct Canada store so then it doesn't get lost in translation and end up in the United States stores with the wrong currency, wrong shipping, all that. So because of that, we have some analytics on stuff like how many Canadian clicks are we sending, how many UK clicks, also stuff like what kind of products that we're linking to. So I was just sharing some of that to help people plan videos. I kind of will have more of an update on that later, so I'll save that for then. Method number three. Method number three is my favorite. It still is my favorite. It's creator profiles. So I sit down with different kinds of creators from YouTube and I interview them. So I have had about 3 or 4 interviews so far and they have been so insightful and they've done awesome on our Twitter because people want to get to know their favorite YouTubers. Turns out, they want to get to know them past maybe what their channel is. They want to learn how that they're doing, everything they're doing, and people love to support people in an interview. So I have loved this one and I've gotten to know a lot of people that way, and it also has yielded to some other awesome methods that I'll be trying because some of these creators have awesome suggestions for me, which I appreciate so much. So another method that I introduced last month, so I'm trying to do new methods every month, at least one, was we're going to be supporting Genius Chat even more, which my coworker Isaac's super awesome. He gets in touch with a lot of our clients and he answers frequently asked questions, and I was going to be promoting that more on our Twitter. Okay, so now that I've taken you through briefly some of these methods, I'm going to take you through how our Twitter's been responding and how things have been going. So I kind of already mentioned there's some of this stuff that we can't track what is exactly attributed to what. There's almost no way, but I do have feelings based on when I do stuff, we gain a lot of followers. So for that first method of interacting with creators, we actually have been gaining some followers from that recently. Most of that's just been we're really having a good product is important to us. So providing just like on a next level of support where, if a creator goes, hey, my link, something's wrong, we've been responding, and we'll usually gain a couple followers from that. So that's been kind of cool to see because, we try to be as on top of it as possible. So that's been awesome. Our method number 2 results. Method number 2 is, it's hard to tell, to be honest. We don't normally gain any new followers from tweeting out these analytics, but they do get some interaction in the form of retweets or favorites. So I think it's something we're going to keep continuing to do for a couple more months and see how it pans out. I might try to put them in a blog post instead of just tweeting out the charts and, really do my own analysis on some of the data. Because it changes from month to month and it's been really interesting. For example, in December, that was the first one that I pulled, the Walmart affiliate program only made up 1.6% of our clicks. And if you don't know, Walmart kind of made an affiliate program to kind of rival Amazon's. And just the last time we pulled it, so that was for January, the Walmart affiliate program made up 16% of our clicks. So that's quite the jump. And, you know, it might be promising for people to try signing up for the Walmart affiliate program and seeing if people want to avoid shopping from Amazon, or if maybe Walmart's offering more of a selection of shipping methods or pickup or whatever that may be. So that was kind of interesting to see, and so I feel like I want to continue to keep reporting on stuff like that. That takes us to our method number 3. Method number 3 is the creator profiles, like I said, and it's my favorite, so I might be biased. But we have already gained about 11 followers in 10 days. So that's a follower a day. That's pretty stinking good, you know. We're definitely gonna need more than that to get to our goal. But it's a step in the right direction, and a lot of those followers are coming from when we post these creator profiles. So I only can do those every other week because they're super labor intensive on my side, because I have to interview, I have to make the art, I do it all myself. So just to start off with, I just do them every other week. But every time I've done them, we get a lot of traction from them, and it seems like, you know, people really enjoy seeing that side of their favorite YouTubers. So it's definitely something I'm going to keep doing. I think I'm booked out until May. Scheduling people at this point, which is such a good feeling to know that we're going to get to keep doing that. Finally, my method number 4 results is this video. So last month, I think we got 55 views on the video as compared to the first video I sent out got over 1,000. So a little bit more of a slowdown on the video, but this I'm not going to stop. This is fun. I get to document. You guys get to come along. So to those 55 people who watched, thank you, my true fans. And yeah, we're gonna keep on going, and I think this is just a really useful tool, and if someone stumbles across this and learns something, then it's a success to me. So as I mentioned before, Genius Chat is unfortunately kind of being put on pause for now, and that was gonna be our next method, but things happen, we have to pivot, and luckily, one of my creator profiles that is coming up is one of our clients called Podcastage. So he has a channel on all things podcasting. He's just a super cool dude. He's a lot of fun to talk to and listen to. So I'll link his channel because he's just someone who I think you should check out. And he actually, so I asked him to create a profile with us, and I was super excited to, you know, hear what he had to say. He agreed. And then he mentioned my video series, and he said, why don't you try more short form videos? Now, I am someone who has TikTok, and I love to watch like Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts. So I don't know why I never connected Geniuslink in that, you know? So I'm super thankful to Bandrew from Podcastage for suggesting that, and that's something that I'm looking into. And actually, hopefully dropping next week, we will have our first short video. And I'm gonna give you a hint, it's gonna be spicy. Isaac, one of our client success people, is going to be helping me with that, and it's going to be good. I'm really excited to release it, so keep an eye out for that. We're also experimenting with a couple other little things, so definitely something to keep an eye out. And if you have any suggestions for what a good short form video is, now this could be informative or funny, we're really up for both. So if you are like, oh, I really need help with this thing, if you could explain it under a minute, then, you know, that would be really helpful, and we're happy to see whatever we can condense into a minute and try to make it possible. So definitely something to look into, and yeah, we're really excited about that. So that is what we have so far. This is just going to be kind of a quick update, but February is a quick month, so we only got a quick update. So if you have any other just ideas that you're like, oh, Teresa, I'd really like to see a Twitter try this, comment them below or email me if you have my email. I would love to try these new methods, and, you know, consider us your experimental guinea pig. Like, we are going to see what works, what doesn't. And if you're just a budding marketer that's like, hey, I wonder if this would work, this would be an awesome way to get involved and test out some of those ideas. So anyways, comment them below. I love to hear from you all. Also, you know, any constructive criticism. I'm new to the YouTube world, so I'm constantly changing the room that I'm in, and my microphone, I got a better microphone. Some people were really upset about my microphone last week, so I have listened to the haters, and I am here with a new microphone, so you should be hearing me loud and clear. But other than that, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm gonna need all the help that I can get. Don't forget to follow our Twitter. I will always link that down below. And yeah, I hope you have an awesome day.